This is a recently Facebook question. A leftmost column with at least of one. This is the label. Let's get into it. This problem is an interactive problem. A binary matrix means that all elements are 0 or 1. For each individual row of the matrix, this row is sorted in non-decreasing orders. Given a row sorted binary matrix by matrix, return leftmost column index 0 indexed with at least 1 in it. If such index does not exist, return -1. You can't access a binary matrix directly. You may only access the matrix using a binary matrix interface. Binary matrix get argument is row and column. Return the element of matrix at index now column 0 indexed. Binary matrix dimension is return list of two elements, rows and column. This one is length of rows and then this one is length of columns, which means matrix is rows multiplied columns. Submission making more than 1000 cells to binary matrix get will be judged wrong answer. Also, that means we cannot use iteration. Also, any solution is attempt to circumvent the judge will result in disqualification. For custom testing purpose, you are given binary matrix math as input in following. For example, you will not have access binary matrix directly. Okay, let's check the example 1. In this case, 1 is here, so leftmost is 0, so 0 index, 1 index, return 0. And then second is the 0 index, 1 index, and then 1 is here, so return 1. In this time there is no 1, so return -1. I think that when 1 is here, this one return -1. Okay, 1 is here. Which one is leftmost one? This one. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So return 1. How we can solve it? Proposed solution is we able to iteration or column in null and then check which one is the minimum. In this time it take linear time but actually it does not allow. Then what is better solution? Yes, that's right. We able to use binary search because this one is the sorted, so that means we able to use binary search and then find the leftmost. Leftmost is the second template of LeetCode binary search, so we will use the second template and then find the leftmost one and then return each index. And then while the iterate the whole rows, and then we will use the greedy algorithm to find the minimum index. Okay, let's implement the code. Okay, let me make it alias. B is binary matrix to increase readability, and then rows and columns is B dot dimension. I will use dimension method, and then we need to make binary search, and then argument is row. Okay, left is 0 and then right is cars -1, and then while left is smaller than right. This is the second template of LeetCode. And then let's get me this left plus right minus left 2, and then if we get row dot mid is 1. how can I do? Okay. Let's low is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And this time, this is left, this is right. So mid is here. In this time, now is mid. Which one we needed to scan? Left part or right part? That's right, left part. Because one means above this index must be 1 because this is solid. So we will move Alice here. How about here? Here is cannot because this is 0 or 1. In this case, we don't know this value. So right is must be mid. Which makes sense. And then how about left? That means if this one is 1 and then which one we needed to choose? That's right. Right side is must be 0 because this is solid. So we will choose this one or this one. Actually this one is better because this one is already 0, so we don't need to check this one too. So left is mid plus 1. And then there are one edge case. It's this. Okay, I will check this one. Left is here and right is here, mid is here. Now 0, so left is increase here and then mid here, increase here, and then actually at that time mid value, left value is what? Left value is 0. So in this case we do not return left value, right? So if left is 0, we get low and left is 0, we need to return negative 1. But if I return negative 1, maybe min low, min call. Min call is must be float because we need to get minimum value. But if it return negative 1, min value is negative 1. But in this case, negative 1 is the rightmost side. So rightmost mean is INF infinity. So infinity is same as negative 1. So at this time we need to return infinity. Does it make sense? Otherwise, return left. Okay, now we traverse low, fall low in range, low, and then okay, check min call is minimum, min call and search low and return min call. And if min call is not float INF, else negative 1. Let's check the code. Syntax error. 29. Okay, fix typo. Oh no. Okay. Why return none? B binary matrix and then loss column dimension and then min column float INF right, then search low left right is column, left right mid left right left divide 2 if we get low mid is 1, right is mid, else left is mid. Oh no. And then okay, finish. Okay, result looks good. Awesome. Okay, in this case, time complexity it is linear. Inside of linear, there is this one is log n. So finally, time complexity is n log n, and then space complexity is constant because we do not use any extra data structure. Thank you.